Welcome back to another Mikegyver video. Every now and then, I get a Mac Mini back on my bench for some extra upgrades. And that's usually when things get interesting. This time, I popped the lid and found a familiar little problem. The power button cable was snapped clean off. Turns out, he's not the only one. I've done it myself in a past video, and it's more common than you'd think. Most folks try to pull the cable out by the wires, and Apple's power connector just isn't built for that kind of treatment. It's delicate and unforgiving. So today, we're diving into a fix. Not flashy, not glamorous, but if you've broken this cable or you're about to, this might save your Mac Mini's life. First step? Super glue. Because when Apple gives you a fragile connector, clearly the logical solution is industrial strength adhesive. Most folks just go straight for the glue onto the connector. And that's how you end up bonding the connector to everything except what you meant to. I take the scenic route, dab on a plate, then apply with care. A little patience goes a long way. After removing the plastic connector from the button plate, I slide in the tiny metal clip, crimp side down. Then transfer a dab of glue using my tiniest flathead screwdriver. Precision work. The goal? Hold it in place. Alright, halfway there. First metal pin, connectors glued in, and holding like it was meant to be. Now to finish the other one, because on missions like this, you don't get points for almost fixing the power button. While I'm doing my magic on my power cable repair, let's take a second to talk about staying safe online. This isn't a sponsor spot, just something worth mentioning. When I'm out on a mission, working remotely, hopping on public Wi-Fi, or connecting through random routers, I always use a VPN. A solid VPN, like IPVanish, can encrypt your internet traffic, hide your IP address, and keep your connection secure no matter where in the world you are. If you're into off-grid setups, traveling, or just value your privacy, check out the link in the description. You'll stay protected, and it helps support the channel. Gonna need a little patience here. This thing's tiny. The kind of tiny that makes you question your life choices and your caffeine intake. Second connectors in and secured. No glue spill, no contact issues. Just a clean hold where it counts. Feels good when a delicate fix doesn't turn into a sticky mess. Snaps right in, music to my eyes. Which, I guess, is the kind of thing you say when you've been staring at tiny connectors for too long. Everything's in place, contact is clean. But hey, let's not leave anything to chance. Time to bring in the big guns, the hot glue gun. It's bulky, it's messy, and it just might be the most underrated problem solver in my toolbox. Mission accomplished. 2 tiny metal clips secured in its plastic connector, 0 glue disasters, and 1 Mac Mini ready for action. Broken connector? Not ready to go full field tech? No worries. Just Google Mikegyver and I'll handle the mission for you. And hey, toss me a like and hit subscribe while you're at it. Keeps the glue hot and the projects rolling.